A smoothie, delicious and easy to make, but is it good for you?
I would say it's a really easy way to get a lot of good fruits and vegetables. You can get a lot of nutrients packed into one little glass.
But too much of a good thing can be unhealthy.
An unhealthy smoothie would be one that maybe is just all fruit or has a lot of fruit juice, one that's really laden with added sugar and that's not very balanced.
A smoothie can taste great and still be healthy. You just need to add the right ingredients.
In a healthy smoothie, we're really looking for that balance. You want good carbohydrates, good proteins, and good healthy fats.
Once you find the right balance and taste, that smoothie can be a good thing.
It's really fine to have a smoothie every day. It can be a convenient meal replacement as long as you're making sure that it really is replacing the meal, not too few calories, but not too many calories.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jason Howland.